Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best clay working tools is probably one of the most versatile and essential kits for any sculptor, hobbyist, or professional artist looking to bring their creative visions to life in clay, offering a comprehensive selection of instruments designed for precision, detail, and efficiency in every aspect of the sculpting process, from initial shaping to intricate finishing touches. Number 5. EIGTWEN 100 ml Air Dry Clay Glaze and 29 PCS Tools Kit. Keep your air dry clay creations safe from cracks and scratches. Our glaze provides a waterproof and fireproof finish, leaving a transparent, high-gloss shine after drying. This comprehensive kit includes 29 essential tools for all your sculpting needs. They are perfect for carving, shaping, smoothing, and adding texture to your clay projects. Add a protective layer of gloss to your finished pieces. This varnish enhances the appearance of your air-dry clay, keeping your work looking bright and vibrant. After your clay work is dry and painted, simply apply our glaze. Allow 24 hours for it to dry completely and reveal its beautiful, lasting shine. These tools and glaze are perfect for various clay types, including air-dry, polymer, and modeling clay. They make a wonderful gift for artists of all ages. What we like. This set offers a protective gloss glaze that seals your air-dry clay creations, preventing cracks and wear. If you're looking to give your finished pieces a professional, durable, and shiny look, this is the choice for you. It's perfect for those who want their artwork to last and maintain its pristine appearance. What people say. The clay sculpting tools are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance. This set includes a variety of tools, such as pottery wheels, carving tools, and smoothing sponges, catering to different sculpting needs. The ergonomic design of the handles provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Number 4. RUBFAC Polymer Clay Tools Kit. Discover the RUBFAC Polymer Clay Tools Kit, your all-in-one solution for sculpting and crafting. This comprehensive set is designed to bring your artistic visions to life. With 24 versatile pieces, including wooden tools, ball styluses, and rubber pens, you'll have the perfect instrument for any detail. They are designed to meet all your creative project needs. The dual-ended design of these tools allows for intricate detail sculpting. You can achieve a wide range of creative effects for any project you undertake. Crafted with durable stainless steel balls and smooth hardwood handles, these tools are comfortable to grip and easy to use. They are built to last through all your crafting sessions. Whether you're working on fine detail sculpting, color blending, or shaping, these tools are ideal. They are also a wonderful gift for aspiring young artists. These are perfect for polymer clay, carving art projects, and various handicrafts. Let your imagination run wild with these essential crafting companions. What we like. With its dual-ended design and stainless steel ball tips, this kit provides incredible versatility for detailed work. If you enjoy intricate sculpting, blending colors, or adding fine touches to your clay projects, this set will be your go-to. It's ideal for hobbyists and artists who appreciate precision and a comfortable grip. What people say. The clay sculpting tools are made of high-quality wood and metal, ensuring durability and longevity. This set includes a variety of tools, such as knives, needles, and loops, allowing for diverse sculpting techniques. The ergonomic design of the handles provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Number 3. Clay Sculpting Tool Kit, 11 PC Beginner Pottery Set. Discover the joy of sculpting with our complete 11-piece set. It's perfect for beginners of all ages, providing everything you need to start creating. Crafted with durable stainless steel tips and smooth wooden handles, these tools are designed for longevity. They are sturdy, rust-resistant, and ready for endless projects. Looking for a unique holiday gift? This set is ideal for festive crafting, allowing you to create handmade ornaments and personalized gifts that shine. With 21 different tips across 11 double-sided tools, the possibilities are endless. Use them for clay sculpting, pottery, ceramics, wood carving, and more. This professionally curated selection offers great value and versatility. It's the perfect starting point for any aspiring artist or crafter. What we like. This comprehensive set boasts 21 different tips across 11 double-sided tools, offering immense value for beginners and experienced crafters alike. If you're just starting out in pottery or clay sculpting and want a complete kit without breaking the bank, this is an excellent option. It's also a fantastic gift for anyone interested in ceramic arts and crafts. What people say. The tools are well made and durable, perfect for detailed sculpting. This set includes a variety of essential tools for both beginners and experienced potters. The ergonomic design of the handles makes them comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Number 2. COMIART 10 PCS Wooden Polymer Clay Pottery Tools. Unleash your creativity with this 10-piece set of dual-ended wooden tools. They are designed for a variety of shaping techniques, perfect for all your crafting needs. Craft with confidence using these smooth, splinter-free tools. Their sturdy construction ensures they are gentle on your materials and built to last through countless projects. Explore endless design possibilities with a diverse range of tip styles. These tools allow for fine details, broad smoothing, and textured patterns to bring your unique visions to life. Whether you're a beginner exploring sculpting or a seasoned artist, these tools are perfect for you. Their lightweight design and easy grip make them comfortable for detailed work. Elevate any craft creation with these essential tools. They are ideal for home DIY, classroom activities, or studio projects with various soft modeling materials. What we like. Featuring 10 double-ended wooden tools with 20 unique shaping heads, this set is designed for gentle yet effective sculpting on soft materials. If you prioritize smooth, splinter-free tools that won't damage delicate clay or Play-Doh, this is the perfect choice. It's great for home crafting, classroom activities, and anyone who loves working with soft modeling materials. What people say. The clay tools are well made and durable, perfect for detailed sculpting. This set includes a variety of essential tools for pottery and clay modeling, making it great for beginners and experienced artists alike. The ergonomic design of the handles ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during long working sessions. Number 1. TOVOT 10 PCS Stainless Steel Clay Sculpting Tools. Introducing a set of 10 double-sided sculpting tools, perfect for all your creative needs. They come in assorted sizes to handle any project with ease. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built to last. You can rely on them for rust-free, deformation-free, and color-fast performance over time. These tools are perfect for sculpting and molding clay in wax. They are also great for cleaning dust from small household items. Designed with fine workmanship, they are lightweight and compact. This makes them easy to store and incredibly convenient for any cleaning task. Your package includes 10 stainless steel clay carving tools. They are durable, not easy to break, and make excellent household essentials. What we like. This kit provides 10 double-sided stainless steel sculpting tools in assorted sizes, ensuring you have the right tool for various clay and wax carving needs. If you're looking for durable, rust-resistant tools that offer a smooth finish and are easy to handle for detailed work, this set is a solid choice. It's suitable for both sculpting and intricate cleaning tasks. What people say. The clay tools are well made and durable, perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. This set includes a variety of essential tools for sculpting, carving, and shaping clay with precision. The ergonomic design of the handles ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during long working sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.